Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a curved text effect on your Canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to create a curved text effect on your Canva mobile, just going to show in this video. First, I just going to add some text here. So we just going to have a curved text effect, right? Okay. So I just going to make a curved text with this text I just typed here. So after typing the text, click on the text first. Then you have to select the option called effects. Click on this. Now swipe to the side and you have an option called curve. You need to select the shape first on the scale and shape. And now here you have this option called F curve. Click on this. Now you can just adjust the curve with like a circle. You can make it on the top circle or you can just make it as a bottom curve. So this is how you just create this curve text effect on your Canva. You just need to click on this, go to the effect, and you can just create this curve text effect. So you can just adjust the curve. You just need to click on the shape option, then click on the setting and you can just adjust it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.